What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Very chill day today. We're gonna be doing. You want to get on camera, debater? Today's gonna be kind of a gloomy farm day. I got a whole bunch of stuff that. Whoa, Ruthie! Whole bunch of stuff that I need to get done today. We're gonna start moving some hay down over to, straw over to the barn, so that we can kind of redo the floor for the sheep as we get into the winter. This thing really helps out when we're down there. We're gonna grab the wood chipper, bring it over to the side. We had a tree come down, a big old branch the other day during a windstorm. We're gonna take care of that, and then I don't know what we'll get into. That's it for now. So chill farm day. Welcome, happy Saturday, and we're gonna get to it. Hey, sheep. All right. So we are getting ready for winter here. We're just going to. We're down to 2 sheep. Unfortunately, the alpaca passed away over the summer. Very excited for the winter. I do love me some snow. I love cleaning up snow. End up doing this probably with Jess tomorrow. Okay, now Ruthie's going crazy. Okay, I'm chasing the sheep now. And Ruth is in on it. Ruth! The audio to this might be a little bad because of the wind. I am really hot now that I got all dressed up for it being cold out, but I just want to show you guys this saw. This thing is freaking awesome. This is an Echo, and it is the consumer grade model. I think these are like 150 bucks from Home Depot. This thing is fantastic. This is a CS 400. Just listen to this. Gotta love any day you get to fire up some saws. Chain brake on.
All right, it is time to say goodbye to my favorite piece I've ever made. Base hand carved. The whole stem up is all hand carved. Really, really cool piece. I want to memorialize it in this YouTube video. Totally see-through epoxy all the way through. Really beautiful. I love how you can see part of the grain popping out. That goes all the way through. So then this piece of wood is held in. And then we have threaded inserts on the bottom, keeping us steady. Very, very excited to kind of get it out of here and onto its next home. Thank you, Anna.
Hey, thanks for tuning in to another video. Today was a short one. It was really nice just to kind of focus on one chore and like really hone in and get that done. Another big thing, I was able to finish up the pop-up. The lift mechanism broke, but we got it fixed and it's all clear. Next video is probably going to be a walkthrough and review of that pop-up so that we can list it for sale. Otherwise, I'm going to enjoy the space that I'm in. Peace. See you on the next one.